Welcome to the presentation on computer networking. Computers and internet have become integral part of life. They are the integral part of the subject called bioinformatics. Internet has shrunk the world today. You can virtually travel to any part of the world within no time through internet. Network connects computers by means of cabling systems, softwares, and devices which manage the data traffic. Networks are actually collections of computers, softwares, hardwares through which you can send emails, send data, send information with the help of modems and routers. The data that you send from your computer to the server or server to computer actually travels in the form of packets, which is there in binary systems. This is the top 30 internet service providers of the world. India ranks number 3 in the world. Top 10 broadband service providers of India. Then broadband is the number 1 in India today. These are the top 10 supercomputers of the world whose capacity is measured in terms of petaflops. This is the supercomputer of today in the world. This is there in the US, made by IBM. Summit is the most powerful computer in the world today. Mobile phones have revolutionized the humanity. They work with subscriber identity module, also called SIM. Almost all gadgets today in the world work via internet. They're all called Internet of Things. Emails, which started in 1971, are the fastest way of sending messages today. This is the list of units of data. The smallest unit is 1 byte, which is actually made up of 8 bits. The network can be defined as a group of computers. Each device is made up of a unique address called IP address. The IP address has numbers starting from 0 to 255, and there are 4 units in the IP address, and in each unit you can have 0 to 255. The 4 units are divided into 2 divisions. Network ID is one, made up of 3 units. Host ID is the other one. The host ID can be further changed to subnet mask. You get your IP address the moment you are connected to internet today. The IP address is automatically generated. This is how the IP address looks like, and Internic was the registration authority earlier, which was giving you IP address and the domain names. From 1993 to 1998, Internic was providing the domain names. Now we have a different organization. The IP address identifies the host machine on the internet. Data transmission occurs in the form of packets, which is there in binary system. These are the types of networking. Wide area network, local area network are the most common ones. Types of connectivities. Local area network actually is connected by Ethernet. The other types of connectivities are there here. List of connectivities, and there's speeds and the transmission type for 10 megabytes. The interconnection between your system and the internet occurs with the help of bridges, routers, gateways, modems. These are the types of networks and connectivities. Different types of topologies are available, the way in which the computers are connected to each other with the help of routers, bridges, mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, bus topology, tree topology. These are the methods by which the computers are connected. The efficiency and the fidelity of the network depends on network standards and network protocols. Let us look into this. Network interconnection occurs because of the standards and protocols which started in 1966 with ARPANET. Network standards are designed in a highly formal and structured way to reduce the complexity. Internet protocols actually define how the communications between computers should occur. There are two different types of systems, models. OSI is one model made up of 7 layers, open systems interconnection model. It has got 7 layers: application layer, that is the app layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. These are the different layers. Each layer is actually written in different languages. Transmission control protocol, another model which has got only 4 layers: application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and network layer. These are the 4 layers of TCP/IP model. It provides support system for sending and receiving amounts of data as one big stream of byte data. Comparison between OSI model and TCP/IP model. OSI model has got 7 layers and TCP/IP model has got 4 layers. These are the different types of layers and their description. Protocols, which are very important for transmission of data from the server to the client and client to the server. The IP packets are made up of different units. IP packet can be maximum of 60 KB long. One more protocol called user datagram protocol. Internet application protocols, they are developed in order to homogenize the application in some order, similar order for all. Internet service providers, which actually will give you the connectivity, internet connectivity to you. These are actually the commercial organizations. In addition to net, we have internet, we also have intranet and also extranet. These are actually formed by the business organizations for their own convenience, for sharing data, sharing information between the different business partners. Hypertext transfer protocol is a method used to transfer via internet. See, WWW is made up of 4 basic ideas: hypertext, resource identifier, client-server model, and markup language. Uniform resource locator, which locates the source of information. We always use HTTP. Different types of domain names used in the URLs. Com, Amazon.com. Com refers to commerce. You can navigate through web with the help of search engines. The most commonly used search engine is Google. Enters is used for bioinformatics. Virtual private network is another one where you can have a private network. You can avoid the hackers. You can avoid even the government organization to peep into the data that is transmitted by your company or you. It's your own network. You are untraceable on the internet. Some countries have banned it. There is something called dark web or a deep web. What you see on the internet via Google or any search engine is only 4% of the internet. 96% that is there on the internet is not visible to you at all. And this part is called dark web or deep web, where lot of illegal or legal activities are taking place. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get alerts whenever I release the new video. Thank you very much.